Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And today we are diving into Samsung Galaxy SmartTags. I'm super excited to be recording this video for you guys because I've been using these little devices for several months now, and I can't live without them. And I'm going to detail as to why. So let's get into it, shall we? So this is Samsung's version of Apple AirTags. Basically, they're devices that allow you to find things wherever in the world they're attached to. For people like me who are a little bit OCD about losing things, well, this is a lifesaver. So these have been getting a lot of traction on the news lately of how people have been using these to find their lost luggage and making sure their luggage is on their plane, even putting these on their cats and dogs and other nefarious uses I shall not mention here. But basically, I'm a huge fan of these. They're super practical and dirt cheap. I only paid $20 Canadian for each. Now, I actually have a good experience with these trackers. My very first one was called the Philips InRange, which was one of the very first generation trackers. And as the name implies, it only found devices that were in range of my Bluetooth and nothing more. But I'm so glad that Samsung has stepped into the game because this can only work with millions of Galaxy phones out there and big company support to make it all happen. So how this works is pretty ingenious. They don't have any GPS, but instead relies on a network of other nearby Samsung phones to detect them, sort of like a beacon. Once detected, those phones will send a general location to the Samsung servers, which you can use the Samsung SmartThings app to pinpoint exactly where they are using Bluetooth. Now, the app does have a proximity scanner, and you can even make this beep super loud once you're in the area. So the main reason I bought these Samsung Galaxy SmartTags is simple. I either lose my keys, my wallet, or my phone, in my home or anywhere else for that matter. As with everyone, I usually have all three close to me at any given time. I have a peace of mind that if either any of these are lost, there's a high probability that they can be found as they are all interconnected in a way. Like I mentioned, in addition to finding the geolocation, you can make each tag call out to you. What's cool is that in reverse, each has a customizable button on it. So in case you've lost your phone, you can double press it and trigger your phone to call out to you too. Also, you can set it to notify your phone if any of these tags are not near you. So it's perfect if you've left something behind and such. Samsung also makes it easy for us to change the batteries. All you need is something. All you need is something like a guitar pick or a flathead screwdriver, an edge of a credit card, insert it in the slot, and try to pry it open. It's like a snap-on, snap-off kind of deal. You can get it under there. And you just go all the way around. There you are. And it uses a standard CR2032 battery. Guys, if you're buying a new battery, go support your local dollar store as they're trying to survive as much as we are. Now the battery life will last up to 2 to 3 months in my experience. You can just snap it back into place like so. So the setup is very simple. All you do is open up the Samsung SmartThings app and just press the button on the tag and just follow the instructions. So I do love the form factor and the no frills aspect to these. Samsung has engineered these quite well in terms of the functionality and passing the savings on to us, making this extremely affordable. It's all plastic, so there's no signal interference. It's all rounded, so it won't scratch or mar anything in your pockets. It even has a hole, believe it or not. It's a huge feature that I can attach it to my keyring or use a zip tie and attach it to my wallet. You can see here. So you don't need any third-party adapter or any special kind of case or covering to attach these things to wherever you want to. It's very flexible. Now Samsung has come up with two versions here. I have the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag Plus and the non-Plus version. Now if you had to make the decision between both, I would say get the non-Plus, as I find the battery lasts a lot longer. And basically they both function the same. The Plus has a few extra features, but only the S21 and above can utilize. But then I don't see much use of them anyway. Anyways, my friends, I do highly recommend getting at least one to try out yourself. It's available at a great price point and it's super practical. This stuff eases my mind as I get older, losing things more and more. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you enjoyed my content, please consider subscribing to my humble YouTube channel. All right, cheers guys.